Good morning everyone. I am back with your English speaking video for class 3rd, and the topic we are learning about is translation. So we are going to learn about translation today. So let's begin with our topic. Before starting our topic, let's have a meaning of translation. Translation means अनुवाद. It is an interpretation from one language to other language. एक भाषा से दूसरी भाषा में उसका अनुवाद करना, उसे translation कहते हैं. So we are going to do some commonly used sentences, translation of these sentences. Let's begin with our sentences. So our first sentence is मुझे निराश मत करो. Sometimes our parents say this line to us. So what can they how can they translate this line in English? Don't let me down, or don't disappoint me. I can also say this line to you students, that don't disappoint me, don't let me down, please concentrate on your studies. Okay, so मुझे निराश मत करो, don't let me down, don't disappoint me, study well. Alright, our next sentence is रात बारिश हुई. रात बारिश हुई. It rained at night. It rained at night. We can also say like this, it rained at night. Our third sentence is तुम चिंतित क्यों हो. Sometimes we say this word, or sometimes we ask these lines to someone very close to us. If we want to ask with our friends, with our family members, or brother and sister, whoever are they, we can ask like this: why are you worried? Why are you worried? Or why are you tensed? You can also say like this. Then next is मुझे हिचकी आ रही है. It is a very commonly used sentence. मुझे हिचकी आ रही है. I am getting hiccups. Hiccups means हिचकी. So you can use you can translate this line into this, that I am getting hiccups. Our next sentence is how much कुल मिलाकर कितना हुआ. कुल मिलाकर कितना हुआ. We say these words, very commonly used words. We say these words in our day to day life. So we can translate this line into how much is the total. How much is the total? This we can ask from any shopkeeper when we go to some shop to buy anything. So we can ask them how much is the total. In first time he will get confused that what are you asking, but when you repeat this line to them or to anyone else, they will also learn English with you. So you can ask how much is the total. Alright. Our next sentence is कैसा लग रहा है. कैसा लग रहा है. We ask these words to anyone in our family. So we can ask like this: how is it feeling? कैसा लग रहा है. How is it feeling? Okay. Then हमने बहुत मजे किए. We also say these words very commonly in our day to day life. So we can translate these words into we had a lot of fun. हमने बहुत मजे किए. We had a lot of fun. Alright students, I hope you understood. Our next sentence is इतना उत्साहित मत हो. Sometimes we get so excited, हम इतना उत्साहित हो जाते हैं that we have to, someone has to say to us that don't get so excited. Okay, इतना उत्साहित मत हो. So don't get so excited. जाकर उनका स्वागत करो. go welcome them. We can I have taken very easy sentences which we use in our day-to-day life, so you can use them also in your day-to-day life. So please repeat these translation, use these translation in English in your day-to-day life so that you get to learn about them. So जाकर उनका स्वागत करो, go welcome them. Our next sentence is मेरी नजरों से दूर हो जाओ. मेरी नजरों से दूर हो जाओ. Sometimes in anger we say these words to very close nearby or close people to us, so we say these words to them also, but we should not say like this. But the sentence translation of these words are get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. Sight means nazron. Nazron se dur ho jao. So get out of my sight. Alright students, so this is it for today's class. These are the sentences which are commonly used in our day-to-day life. So I hope you will definitely practice them speaking in English in your day-to-day life, and you practice with your family members, friends, and definitely you record these these translation and send it to me also. But before doing it, please practice. So this is it for this class now. I will see you in another class. Till then, take care and do practice. Bye bye.